Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have your company, and it's always a pleasure to make a video for you. It's the month of December, today's the 3rd, and I've done my planner. I think it will be the last spread that I will do for this month. I'll just add what I need to add in there, just reminders and things that needs doing I'll put in there, but I won't be decorating. So I decided to decorate this week because Friday the 7th will be my birthday, and I decorated it to give me some kind of motivation and inspire me to keep going, because I do suffer with chronic anxiety, and it's very difficult sometimes for me to be happy. I can't put my finger on it, but there's times when I'm just so low and I'm just not happy. So I decided to decorate it and put a lot of words of inspiration in there. And Friday the 7th is my birthday, so I decorated it around my birthday. These stickers are from a kit that I was subscribed to from surprise.com, and they're personalised for me. See me there with my little dress and my glasses on, and the balloons, and it's your birthday and enjoy, it's your special day, does come from a sticker pack from Poundland, and also the pray, the music, hugs, life, dance are all from Poundland as well, from a sticker packet. This washi tape is one of my favourite washi tapes, which I keep in this pouch here, and this one is from the range, this washi tape, and I decorated the top with that. And the bottom one is from Poundland, that's the one with all the candles. And this washi tape is also one of my favourites, and it says let's enjoy this day. So I just thought I would put things in here in order to cheer myself up and keep me inspired, keep me going, let me know there is something to look forward to no matter how bad things are. These stickers here are from the Mambi Planner sticker books, which is, let's have a look now, which is I took from the Faith sticker book, Productivity, the Squad Goals, and the Choose Happy sticker books. This is from the Faith, and the girlies are from the Squad Goals. And I think the gift box is as well. And this sticker, the Remember sticker, and the Important, and also Make Your Dreams Happen Now are all from the Happy Planner sticker books. And also Be Beautiful as well is Be Different, do beg your pardon, and I put that one there in order to remind me that it is okay to be different, you know. The tree comes from one of the Mambi, I think it's a Squad Goals sticker book as well, the tree. And I just love these sticker books so much. A family that lives in the USA sends stuff for me from the United States, so I get to get quite a few things from America. And I love music, I like to pray, and I like to dance very much. I love lots of hugs. And I've got my big cake here, as you can see, and these stickers also behind the hugs one have also come from the Happy Planner sticker books as well. And yeah, I've got hope, life, pray, music, dance, all those things do make me happy. And you know, I just thought I would do this because it's something I wanted to do. It was fun decorating it. And yeah, so what I'm going to do, what I plan to do for the rest of the week, I've just got 3 things that needs to be reminded of for this month. So I've jotted them down here, but the rest of this week I'll be just putting in stuff like, sorry about that banging, don't know what's happening, I think next door. But I'll just be putting in stuff like how I feel, what inspires me, what motivates me, just words of wisdoms I will be definitely writing in there to keep me going. And this one says everything is going to be okay. So, you know, I really just need to chill this week and make it a good one. Try not to be, you know, unhappy. You know, just try and look at the best possible side of life, you know, in terms of having my family, all the love and, you know, health, joy and peace. So basically that is why I decorated it like this. This sticker here is from the Mambi Planner sticker book as well, and it says good times. So what I'll do, I'll jot down all the things that I can remember which was good for this year right here. And if I don't have enough space, then I'll just get a journal card and write what I need to write on it and just maybe stick it here so it flips up and down. And yeah, that's it. This sticker is from the surprise.com subscription kit that I used to have, and it says, Jazzy, everything you can imagine is real. So, you know, all I have to do is just open this page and just look at it and feel good about it and write whatever I need to write in it. So that's it. So today now I'm going to write something that I've stuck here and things that I would like to do for the next coming few weeks of December. I'll just write them here. This is just personal stuff that I'm going to write on here, but the rest of the month I'll just crack on and just write what I need to write. Like I have appointments already and stuff like that for next week. So but this will be my last spread in this planner, and it was very enjoyable. It was a big one, and I have mentioned it before in another video that the reason why I've had a big one was because I had some big projects on this year, and I needed the big one to organise and plan properly so I could spread out and have more space to do what I've got to do. But yes, that's it, and I hope you like it. My birthday is Friday the 7th, and you can hook me up on Instagram as well. It's HappyMeOnABudget, and I'm there. I've put up a picture of myself today, or was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. So if you want to see what I look like, hop on over there. I'll leave the link below in the description box so you can pop over to Instagram and wish me a happy birthday if you like. But yes, I think I'm very much looking forward to my birthday this year. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos, or all different sorts of things, hauls, paper crafts, DIYs, whatever. I think my videos are improving, they're getting better now, because I'm sort of spreading my wings and actually doing things that I usually do, but I put them on video now so you could see a bit more of me. So as I said, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, hit the bell in order to be notified of when I upload my new videos. And thank you so much to my subscribers and all my new subscribers that's come along so far. Many thanks. Take care now. Bye bye for now.